In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place buttons next to each other in Elementor containers. Whether you're designing a website and you're aiming for a sleek, professional look, or you just want your buttons aligned perfectly side by side, this guide will take you through the entire process step by step. Starting off, let's ensure that your Elementor page editor is open and ready for action. Find the section where you want to place the buttons. You'll often want this in a header, a call to action area, or perhaps on a landing page, anywhere you believe those buttons should stand out. Once you have the desired section open, the next step is about settings to ensure the space we have is utilized correctly. Now, within your chosen section, you'll need to add a container. A container is a versatile entity in Elementor that allows us to control the structure of the elements inside it. Click on the container to add it to your section. Once it's placed, it's time to set up its layout. Navigate to the Layout tab of your new container's settings. Here you will set the Display property to Flex. This option is crucial as it introduces a flexible layout model, ensuring that elements inside the container can slide effortlessly to be aligned next to each other. With the flexibility introduced, it's time to capture this in action with your buttons. First, go to the Elements panel and find the button widget. Drag your first button inside the container. Place this carefully, and in this setup, you'll proceed to name and style the button as you see fit. Choose your colors, size, typography. Once satisfied, you'll want a neighbor for your button. Go ahead and repeat this process by dragging another button widget from the Elements panel and dropping it next to the first one inside the same container. Having two buttons side by side is cool, but what about the spacing between them? We want them looking good, without appearing squished or too sparse. Adjusting space here is simple. Navigate to the Items settings in the Container's Layout tab and set the Justify Content option to Space Between. This setting ensures that the buttons have equal space on the outer sides while allowing ample room to breathe between them. Once the buttons are in place and appropriately spaced, step back and review their alignment and appearance. Tweak the styling if necessary, ensuring the colors complement the rest of your design. Additionally, if you find that the buttons look better with a slight margin or padding adjustment, feel free to utilize those controls under the Advanced settings in Elementor. And there you have it, a straightforward method to place buttons next to each other in Elementor containers. This alignment and layout technique allows you to have full control over button organization, transforming your pages into more dynamic and visually appealing spaces. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!